If you want to get rid of stubborn body fat, adding strength training to your exercise regimen can help. To start losing fat, create a consistent weekly routine to build muscle and burn calories. One effective way to lose fat is doing compound exercises, which will work out multiple muscle groups at once. Keep in mind that to lose fat, you must ultimately burn more calories than you eat. Thus, you should also incorporate other healthy weight loss practices into your life. 1. Doing compound exercises. Try deadlifts to exercise your glutes, hamstrings, and quads. Stand straight with your feet slightly apart. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, with your palms facing towards your body. Do a bench press to strengthen your chest, front shoulders, and back. Perform dumbbell rows to help your abs, shoulders, back, and biceps. Do a single arm dumbbell press to work your arms and shoulders. Add dumbbells to squats for a good lower body workout. Hold dumbbells while doing lunges to help your thighs and glutes. 2. Creating a strength training regimen. Work out your entire body 2 or 3 times a week. Do not lift weights too often, or you could injure yourself. Your muscles need time to repair after a session of lifting weights. Generally, 2 days of rest in between weightlifting sessions will give you enough time to rest and repair before you use weights again. Pick the right weight for your goals. No matter what type of weight you choose, you will burn calories. That said, if you want to build muscle, you should choose heavier weights. Rest for a minute or less between each set. Resting allows you to catch your breath, but if you are trying to lose weight, avoid resting for too long. Keep your breaks to no more than a minute. If you need longer to rest, your weights may be too heavy. Work on form rather than speed or weight. To get the most out of weightlifting, you need to make sure you have proper form. Increase your weights over time. As time goes on and you get stronger, you can increase the weights that you lift to help build more muscle and burn more fat. Add cardio to your routine to burn more calories. 3. Burning fat and calories. Get enough protein in your diet to support building muscle. Eat complex carbohydrates to give you energy. Carbohydrates can give you energy while you lift weights. The best carbs are complex carbs, which also give you fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Complex carbs include whole grains, oatmeal, lentils, and beans. Avoid simple carbs, like sugar, baked goods, white rice, pasta, and soda. Choose unsaturated fats to store energy for your muscles. Use body fat measurements to track your progress instead of a scale. Muscle weighs more than fat. If you build muscle, you may weigh more, even if you are shedding fat. Body fat measurements are a better way to check your progress.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,